In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Payhip coaching. If you want to make it easy for customers to book coaching sessions directly through your Payhip product, this setup is very helpful. The good news is that the process is quick, and once your calendar is connected, your coaching offer becomes much more streamlined and professional. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and coaching services. So it's the right place to start for any setup like this. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products. This will open the section where all of your items and services are listed. If you sell different types of products, take a moment here to locate the coaching service you want to connect to Calendly. Next, find your coaching service and click Manage. This takes you into the settings for that specific coaching product. From here, you'll be able to adjust the details that control how your coaching offer works for customers. After that, click on Template. The template section is where you customize the structure and booking experience for your coaching product. If this is your first time in this area, just move slowly and focus on the calendar related option. Now click on Add a Calendar. This is the step where Payhip lets you connect an external scheduling tool, such as Calendly, to your coaching service. Adding a calendar here allows your availability and booking flow to be tied into the product more effectively. When the field appears, paste your calendar URL. Make sure you use the correct Calendly link that you want customers to book through. It's a good idea to double check the URL before saving or moving on, just to avoid linking the wrong event or scheduling page. And that's it. Once your calendar URL has been added, your Payhip coaching product is connected to Calendly, making it easier for buyers to schedule their sessions. If anything doesn't look right, go back and confirm that you selected the correct coaching product and pasted the correct calendar link. A helpful tip is to test the booking flow yourself afterward so you can see exactly what your customers will experience. That way you can catch any issues early and make sure everything looks polished and works smoothly. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to link Calendly to Payhip coaching.